Always tracking, always alerting. This is Next Weather.
I swear I think I've seen Elliott try to make a getaway like that before too, but we had to rip the axle out of his car as well. Hey, maybe many people going to have to try and dodge a few showers with their cars as we head into the holiday weekend. Let me give you a look at what we are tracking as we take a look at the satellite radar across the country. The reason I want to show you this is because we have a stalled front just to the north of us. So as we make our way to Florida, you can see quite a bit of activity that we've had down in South Florida throughout the day today. We are on the wetter side of the stalled front. It's actually kind of sitting where I am right now. Let me show you why that plays a crucial role in our forecast as we head into the holidays. So what we're dealing with, like I said, that front going to be up to the north. Well, we're on the side that has more moisture associated with it. Now, as we head throughout the weekend, we're also going to be monitoring our typical sea breeze shower and storm setup. However, we're going to have more moisture than normal to work with. And the reason for that is that this area of low pressure is going to pull in more moisture to the area that's going to interact with our sea breeze. And that's what I think will bring us a more well-developed shower and storm potential over the next several days. So what do those rain chances look like? Let's take a look at the 7-day rain chances together. You'll notice that tomorrow has an even higher chance than what we saw today, about an 80% chance for showers and storms, and still staying fairly elevated as we head into Sunday, Monday, and really throughout a majority of next week, where we're looking at around a 60% chance for daily showers and storms. So we are certainly falling into a wetter weather pattern across South Florida, and I think it's best to go ahead and keep the umbrellas handy. Now, naturally, there are going to be more times than others favored for these showers and storms. Overnight tonight, most of us stay quiet. We could see a stray shower or two in the middle to upper Keys, but you'll notice that we kick off the morning on a mostly quiet note. Now, some of the forecasts modeled showed some isolated showers that developed closer to the coast in the morning, but it's the afternoon through the early evening where I think we'll have the highest amount of coverage. As you can see, this is including Broward and Miami-Dade counties, where we will be monitoring a level 1 out of 4 flood risk. So it is a minor flood risk, but it is a flood risk nonetheless. As we navigate into the latter half of the afternoon, you see those heavy showers and storms pushing from west to east, maybe even some heavier showers expected for the middle Keys as we head into your Saturday evening. And then we will copy and paste, repeat, maybe not as widespread on Sunday, but still good enough idea to have some backup plans indoors if you do have any weekend activities where you had plans outside. Our hour-by-hour forecast for tomorrow shows it'll still feel like it's in the upper 90s to lower triple digits, but as those showers and storms start to develop in the back half of the day, should help to make the feels-like temperatures more manageable. On the thermometer, ahead of the storms, I do think we'll make it into the lower 90s each afternoon. Some folks could be lucky and they could stall out in the upper 80s. Now, as I kind of rewind it here, what I can do is I can show you the rainfall totals that we were expecting across the area. This is looking like we could have a widespread total of 1 to 4 inches. This is favoring our metro areas, but some isolated higher totals anywhere from 6 to 10 inches, which is why we do have that flood risk. Out on the waters for tomorrow, no alerts. That includes the Florida Keys and the Atlantic waters. And speaking of the Atlantic waters, I want to make sure you have the latest on the tropics. We are still monitoring a tropical wave that's going to be moving off the west coast of Africa. 30% chance of tropical development over the next week, but there is no concern to South Florida at this time. Your 7-day forecast shows our afternoon highs anywhere from the upper 80s to lower 90s with fairly high rain chances throughout the next 7 days. So Elliott, make sure you are keeping that umbrella near you at all times.